My name is Estevan Franco, and I'm going to read you a short story. Instrument of Power. He stands there with his head looking downward. Once again, the words are repeated to him. You have been born and have no clue what to become. First, you need to have a plan. You have many choices, but only one is the correct choice for you. You could become a doctor and heal the sick. That would mean you could not faint at the sign of blood. You could become a lawyer and defend the innocent. That would mean you would have to stop associating with the friends you have. You can be a police officer and enforce laws, but you would first have to stop taking what is not yours. You can be an instructor and teach others how to learn and think for themselves. You would have to complete your test to get your GED. You may choose not to be important. That too is a good choice. You can choose whatever you want to be except for one thing. You cannot, will not, or will ever be the instrument of power. That is reserved for one. It is not for you. It has authority. You do not. It can collapse economies. You cannot. It can create wealth for everyone. You cannot. It has the power to bring world peace. You do not. It can start a war. You cannot. It can send a man to his death or can grant him his stay of execution. You cannot. It can even name a person for the rest of their life. You cannot. The instrument I speak of is not unattainable. It is not rare or passed down from monarch to monarch. It is not a mystical wand or a lamp with a genie inside. It is not a person. It is not a position. Before you seek the instrument of power, you must remember 3 rules. Rule number 1. No matter the thickness, 0.25 or 3.5, it is always in millimeters. Rule number 2. Once it starts, it cannot be removed. Rule number 3. You must never, I repeat never, call it just a common writing instrument. It shall be called by its name, pen. You can be whatever you want. When you determine who or what you want to be, write it down. But keep in mind, the pen has the power to do everything you decide. But first, you need to start with the plan. He folds the paper and slides it into his left coat pocket. As he walks away, he runs his hand over a marble headstone. Inscribed above the name, "Here lies my father, taken before he knew how great his son would be."